Imagine this. Every day, trillions of dollars vanish into thin air. Not stolen, not lost, just erased. Poof. And no one, not governments, not banks, not you, has any say in it. This is the shadow market, a 2 quadrillion beast humming in the background of global finance. That's 2 followed by 15 zeros, bigger than the entire world economy by 20 times over, and it's growing. Why should you care right now? Because last year alone, it swallowed economies whole. Argentina defaulted, Japan teetered. Your retirement fund? Tied to it. Interest rates spiking? Blame this ghost. It's not some distant Wall Street game. It's the air we all breathe financially, and it's choking. Let me pull back the curtain. Step 1. It starts with boring old debt. Governments borrow, companies too, but they don't hold it forever. They slice it up, repackage it, sell it off in pieces called derivatives, futures, options, swaps. Think of it as financial Lego, innocent blocks at first. Step 2. Those blocks get traded, not on shiny stock exchanges with bells and regulators. No, in the dark pools, over-the-counter deals between shadowy desks. A bank in London swaps risk with one in Singapore. No public record, no oversight, just phone calls and algorithms. By 2026, daily trades hit $20 trillion. Quadrillions stack up fast. Here's the uncomfortable math. One simple interest rate swap, notional value $100 million, but the real exposure? Leverage it 50 times. Suddenly, it's $5 billion at risk from a 1% move. Multiply by millions of these invisible contracts. Boom, 2 quadrillion notional. Real money at stake? Maybe a tenth. Still dwarfs global GDP. Irony? We celebrate stock market highs while this volcano bubbles. Public hype says derivatives hedge risk, stabilize markets, noble stuff. Reality? They're casino bets on steroids. Banks create them to offload their own messes. Hedge funds amplify them for quick kills. Remember 2008? One bad bet on housing swaps tanked the world. No one controlled it then. Lessons learned? Hardly. Regulators peek in, but the market laughs. Too big, too fast, too hidden. Zoom out. Long term, this shadow controls everything. Central banks hike rates, derivatives explode. Wars disrupt trade, swaps cascade. Climate shocks hit commodities, chains react. It's a web where one thread pulls the whole economy down. No single player owns it. Banks profit, governments pray. We pay the bill. And the risk? Systemic, unseen until it's too late. What happens when the next black swan hits? A cyber glitch? A rogue AI trade? Quadrillions unwind in hours. Markets freeze, pensions evaporate. So here's your unresolved truth. We built a financial Frankenstein no one can leash. Sleep easy tonight, or don't.